Rockmaster stands as a global leader in delivering CRA weld overlay clad pipelines, prefabricated pipe spools, subsea pipeline connectors, high-pressure pipe fittings, and a variety of corrosion-resistant coated fasteners. Our comprehensive services extend to machining and cladding for valve parts, pressure vessel components, and turnkey solutions for all piping products. The RocLok Clamp Hub Connector, introduced through research and development in 2013, has achieved significant success. Over the past decade, more than 7,000 sets of RocLok products have been successfully supplied to FPSO projects, marking a successful track record since the initial dispatch to SBM. RocLok stands out with its streamlined design, featuring just 4 sets of bolts. Notably, its hub allows a full 360-degree rotation without the need to align bolt holes, a departure from conventional flanges. This clamp hub connector excels in simultaneously managing internal pressure, bending, and axial loads. This unique capability ensures both a secure seal for pipelines and well assemblies, and the efficient use of bolting. As a cost-effective and environmentally friendly connection solution, RocLok offers a reliable and innovative alternative. The RocLok Clamp Hub Connector has 5 key advantages. 1. Seal ring reusability. 2. Lightweight design. 3. 360-degree rotation. 4. Easy installation. 5. Reduced maintenance downtime. Our sealing technology employs a double cone structure with a unique self-tightening feature under pressure, representing a core technological innovation of Rockmaster. The distinctive sealing technology of RocLok has garnered 11 patents since 2016, underscoring its innovative and proprietary nature. Additionally, our product has received certification from DNV, further validating its quality, performance, and adherence to industry standards. We also provide various related products. We employ a color-coded coating system for our products. Our products are customizable to meet diverse standards and dimensions. We use forging and heat treatment to deal with our materials. Rockmaster has advanced boring and milling machining center, horizontal machining center, vertical machining center, CNC vertical and horizontal car to complete the independent precision machining of products. We conduct pressure tests to verify the safety and durability of the product by applying pressure. Rockmaster has complete testing equipment and independent laboratories to ensure the reliability of products, and can perform chemical separation, tensile, impact, hardness, metallography, and corrosion tests. We perform impact experiment to test the resistance and stability of products under shock or vibration. We carry out hardness tests to test product properties such as strength, toughness, and wear resistance. We carry out metallographic inspection to detect the microstructure of metal materials. We will mark our product with manufacturer's name and model, material number and version, material name, furnace number, heat treatment batch number, serial number, and customer code. We will make sure that the products are packed properly to ensure that there is no damage during transportation. How to assemble the product. Clean and inspect the hub's sealing surface and seal ring for damage. Replace if necessary. Lubricate the hub's sealing surface, clamp grooves, and nut and bolt threads. Avoid using clamping force alone to correct misaligned piping. The seal ring should have slight wiggle in the hub groove and can be tilted to measure the gap. Tighten each nut diagonally to achieve roughly equal spacing between the clamp's 2 sides. After the bolts are tightened, check that the gap between the 2 sides of the hub and the clamp is equal. How to disassemble the product? Depressurize the line and ensure it is pressure-free. Loosen all nuts and bolts on the clamp flange, keeping them in the slack position with an appropriately sized wrench socket. Avoid removing them entirely on the screw. Check for slack in the clamps, and if tightly attached to the hub, use a rubber hammer to gently tap and loosen them. Only dismantle the clamps after ensuring all are slackened. Remove nuts and bolts, detach the clamps, and inspect the seal ring's sealing surface for damage if considering reuse. The RocLok clamp hub connector finds versatile applications across industries such as oil, chemical, and marine engineering. For further information about our product, feel free to contact us directly or visit our website.